Diddy fights back, claims feds used wrong law to convict him. The legal saga surrounding Sean Diddy Combs is heating up once again. The music mogul is pushing back hard against federal prosecutors, insisting that his Mann Act conviction never should have happened in the first place. According to new court filings, Diddy argues that the government used the wrong definition of prostitution to build their case, and he's demanding that the conviction be overturned, or at the very least, that he be granted a new trial. The Mann Act, also known historically as the White Slave Traffic Act, was passed in 1910 to prevent the transportation of individuals across state lines for what was then considered immoral purposes. But here's where Diddy and his legal team are drawing the line. Prosecutors relied on today's definition of prostitution, sex for money, to paint their case. Diddy insists that when the law was originally enacted, the meaning was much broader, and in 1910, a prostitute was defined as a woman who had sex outside of marriage. His attorneys argue that applying the modern standard is a misstep that unfairly broadened the charges against him. In his latest defense, Diddy also challenges the evidence presented at trial. He maintains that prosecutors never actually proved he paid male escorts to have sex with his girlfriends, claiming instead that these men were compensated simply for their time. Pushing the argument further, he characterizes his own involvement as that of a voyeur, insisting that his private preferences, however unconventional, do not rise to the level of a federal crime under the original intent of the law. The filing places Judge Arun Subramanian in the spotlight as Diddy's legal team calls for immediate action. They argue that his conviction cannot stand under the weight of what they describe as a fundamental misapplication of the law. If the court won't dismiss the charges outright, Diddy is adamant that he deserves a fresh trial to ensure justice is truly served. This latest twist is just one chapter in a case that has gripped both the legal world and the entertainment industry. For Diddy, the battle is not only about clearing his name, but also about challenging how century-old laws are interpreted in the modern era. His fight underscores how outdated statutes can collide with today's definitions, creating legal gray areas with life-changing consequences. As the music mogul continues to push back, fans and critics alike are watching closely. Will the court side with his argument and open the door to acquittal, or will prosecutors hold firm to the modern interpretation of the Mann Act? Either way, this case is proving to be more than just a legal drama. It's a clash between history, law, and celebrity, with Diddy determined to rewrite the ending. Stay tuned, because this courtroom battle is far from over, and Diddy is making it clear he won't go down quietly.